How to use promo code on Starbucks application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can use promo code in Starbucks application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Starbucks application. Make sure that you're signed into your account. Now the second step is to add items to your cart. Scroll to the home page, then explore all of the items that you can add into your cart. Select your preferred item, then tap on add to cart. So once you have added items on your cart, now you could tap on the cart or the bag icon, then you could head over to checkout page. After that, you may be prompted to enter your address. So select your delivery address, and after that on your checkout page, search for an option as apply promo code or enter promo code. Then paste your code and tap on apply. If the code is valid, the order total instantly updates to reflect the discount. After that, select your pickup store, choose your payment method, then place the order. Now you have redeemed or used your promo codes to earn the discount on your items. That's it. That's how you can use promo codes in a Starbucks application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.